friends, welcome to my channel. For those who are not getting enough sleep at night, and not talking about the sleep but deep sleep, the better quality sleep which you need to boost your metabolism as well as the weight loss, so this smoothie will help you out. So let's check what we need. But before we start, please like, share and subscribe. So in a blending jar, I am taking 1 banana. It's a good source of potassium and magnesium, and 1 tablespoon of flax seed. This is a great source of omega-3 and tryptophan, which increase serotonin in your body for better sleep. And 1 small orange. This is rich in fiber as well as vitamin C, which will help you stay asleep for longer. In half a teaspoon of ginger powder. This is stabilize your blood sugar as well as aid digestion. Next, we are going to add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. This is also help calming your blood sugar level. And I'm going to take 1 cup of milk, or you can also choose almond milk. Those are both good source of tryptophan, and this will help your body to produce serotonin, the sleep hormone. So now I'm going to blend everything in a smoothie, and our deep sleep smoothie will be ready. So this is really important in rejuvenating the body and repair the cells and also the brain cells, and it also produces the hormone called leptin, which is responsible for burning fat while you sleep. So this smoothie is ready. Enjoy this smoothie. Just 8-ounce glass of this smoothie will help you get better quality deep sleep. So just drink this, relax, unplug from the technology, and try this tonight and share your comments with me. Also, if you like to share any other smoothie recipes with me, link it in comment below. And also do not forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll see you with simple recipe next time. Bye bye.